Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Google Calendar events into Notion database. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Google Calendar in a web browser. Locate the calendar that contains the events you want to withdraw. Next, click on the three vertical dots next to the calendar name. Choose the Settings and Sharing option from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Integrate Calendar section. Here, you will find the secret address in iCal format. Copy this link to your clipboard. Now, open your Notion workspace in a separate tab. Create a new page or select an existing database where you want to import the events. In the Notion page, click on the plus new button or type /database to create a new database. Select the type of database that fits your needs, like a table or board. Once the database page is open, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. From the menu, select Merge with CSV. Now, open a new tab and navigate to a CSV conversion tool. Paste the iCal link into the converter. Follow the tool's instructions to convert the iCal format to CSV. Download the converted CSV file to your computer. Return to Notion and click on the plus import button in the database page. Select the CSV file that you just downloaded. Once imported, Notion will display your Google Calendar events in the database. You can now organize, customize, and manipulate the data as needed. Consider adding properties like date, time, and description to enhance your database. Feel free to explore and integrate other features to maximize the functionality of your Notion setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.